Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get PayPal debit card. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred browser on your Android phone and go to the official PayPal website at paypal.com. Now log in with your PayPal account credentials. Once you are logged in, tap on your PayPal balance. Then select PayPal debit card. After that, tap on request a physical card. If you are eligible, PayPal will show you the steps to apply. Fill in your personal details, including your mailing address, and confirm everything carefully. You may also be asked to verify your identity, so keep your documents handy just in case. Once you submit the application, PayPal will review it, and if everything looks good, your debit card will be mailed to you. And that's it. Now you know how to get PayPal debit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.